Welcome. In front of me is ACER Swift Go, and in this video I will show you how to use this laptop as a monitor for another PC. So first of all, make sure that both PCs are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then open the Start menu, then go to Settings, then select System, then scroll all the way down to Optional Features. Open this menu, then select View Features, click Yes, and here you have to install this wireless display feature on your device. To install it, you have to select See Available Features right here, then find the wireless display feature, and once you find it, you have to hit the checkbox next to it and click Add, and then wait until it's added to your laptop. Now once you add it, go to System, Project into this PC, open this menu. Okay, now let's reopen the settings, System, Project into this PC, and right now change this always off option to either available everywhere or available everywhere on secure networks if you're using a secure network, and also switch this toggle to the left if you want this PC to be discovered even when it's unplugged from the power source. And after that you can switch to a different device. So on the other device you have to use the Windows and K. So this button and this button, combination of keys. Then select the laptop from the available displays. Click on it and then confirm your action on the other device, on our ACER Swift Go. And then once you confirm, everything that is displayed on this laptop will be projected to our ACER Swift Go. The projection quality is not the best one. It's not enough for video streaming. For example, we can run YouTube, some YouTube video, for example. Okay, and let's check how it works.
Hello and welcome back to the channel How to Set Info, and today I'll show you how to check order status on AliExpress.
So as you can see, the quality is actually pretty decent. There are almost no artifacts, but the overall quality is around 480p. So comparing to Full HD that you get on this device, the quality on the other display is much poorer. So it's pretty usable for projecting videos, but generally speaking, I would rather recommend it for presentations and things with more static images. And now to disconnect your device, you have to use Windows K and then click Disconnect on right here, or on your ACER Swift you can just close the window in which the projection is streaming. Okay, let's let me show it once again. Okay, so just hover your mouse over to the top of the window and then click X icon. And that's basically it. And that's how you use your ACER Swift Go as a monitor for another device. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.